If you're seeing the Telegram error that says this phone number is banned, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to contact Telegram support and submit the correct details so you can request help as quickly as possible. This is a straightforward fix method for anyone who is locked out by a banned number, and it only takes a minute to do if you follow along carefully. Before we start, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Telegram support form at telegram.org/support. It's important to use the official support page so your request goes directly to Telegram and not to a third-party site. Once the support page loads, you'll see a form where you can explain your issue. Look for the box that says, "Please describe your problem." In that box, clearly type that your Telegram phone number is banned and that you need help reviewing the restriction. Keep your message simple, clear, and respectful. You do not need to write a long story. Just explain the problem directly so the support team can understand what happened right away. Next, fill in your email address. Make sure this is an email account you actually have access to because Telegram may use it to respond to your request. After that, enter your banned phone number. This part is very important. Be sure to include your full country code, such as +1 for the USA, so Telegram can identify the number correctly. If you leave out the country code, your request may not be processed properly. Double check the number before you continue so there are no typing mistakes. Once all the details are filled out, review everything one more time. Make sure your problem description is clear, your email is correct, and your phone number includes the full international format. When everything looks good, click Submit. After you submit the form, Telegram will receive your request and you can wait for their response. Depending on the issue, they may reply by email or take some time to review the ban, so if you don't hear back immediately, that's normal. Just keep an eye on your inbox, including the spam or junk folder, in case their message lands there. And that's it. You've now completed the official Telegram support request for a banned phone number. This is the safest and most direct way to ask for help with the error. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.